Kinda. That's it.
And we're done.
We're
Bye.
done.
Hey guys, it's Vicky. Welcome back. And today we have a special guest, Mason. Did you know that some folks have actually requested to see you back on here?
Oh my
They liked that last video where you gave me a makeover.
My lady.
Yeah, so for those two people who asked, here he is. So today we have Mason here because I'm gonna be giving him a haircut, but not just any haircut.
A vintage inspired haircut.
Which is basically what I feel like every other guy is doing these days. Hey, camera's over here. They're right there. Stop looking at the monitor.
Hi.
I'm gonna give him a vintage 1950s inspired haircut. And the reason that I'm doing this is not because I'm a haircut expert, but because we have no other option. Like always, I have no idea what I'm doing.
No other option for another 3 weeks.
Good.
But if she does a good job, the job's hers. Let's get started.
Anyways, so specifically the haircut that I'm going to be giving him, like I said, is a vintage inspired college contour is what they would call it. That's the one you want still, right? Wait.
Let me just do the mohawk.
Can I show you the one that I
The
originally...
1950s college mohawk.
Oh, like the ducktail?
Or maybe just a mullet. Or the Justin Timberlake.
Oh yeah, do the Justin Timberlake. This one, right?
Yeah.
We're just gonna stick then. You don't want the flat top. You don't want the ducktail. You don't want the butch. So the college contour.
Yep.
I did want to like follow a tutorial, like you know how they have like those cool like tutorials that you look back on like how they used to do haircuts, or even like a guide, a book, but I could not find anything online. So I'm just gonna wing it and see what happens. Oh, that's a good look for you, babe. How long has it been since your last haircut?
4 weeks. Longest.
What are you looking at? What's up there?
I don't know. It looks like a snot just like across the ceiling.
Where?
Like a trail of snot.
What is this, like the scene from Daddy Daycare? I missed!
I missed.
Oh, hell no.
Since the beginning of March.
Thankfully, the haircut that you usually get is already kind of like this. So I think that
It's an easy
if
one.
I follow the image and try to do what I see there, we might be okay. How do I start? How does he usually start, your barber dude?
The sides. Well, he cuts the top first and then the sides.
I think I feel like I want to do... I don't like the way he cuts your top too much, so I'm gonna
Yeah, go
do
ahead.
the sides.
I would do the sides first.
I'm not gonna try to actually cut the top too much.
Start layering with the foundation.
Camera's over here.
Start layering with the foundation. When you have a strong foundation, you build a good house. In this case, a good haircut.
Didn't you just say that for my video where you did my makeup?
I don't know. Did I?
Yes, you did.
Replay. Here.
Start with the foundation, then you...
This is good. That would be called Bing.
Okay, hold on a minute. You need a promise, and it's on camera, it's recorded, that if I F up and you have to wear a hat for the next 2 weeks, you're not gonna get mad at me.
No, I won't. Promise.
Look at the camera and say it.
I promise.
You know you're starting to get like a little mullet at the bottom? Can you turn around and just show everybody?
Sure. Zoom in.
Oh, you can't really see it, but it's starting to go like... Are you nervous? 'Cause I'm
Kind
nervous.
of. My hands are so sweaty.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous too.
I've never let anybody cut my hair.
I don't know where to start. Yes, you have. I have cut your hair before, but that was like shaving you bald because he used to be bald. Okay,
But
because
if
it
you
was
can
bald.
dream it, you can do it.
I'm dreaming, baby.
Yeah.
Baby, you're like... Look down. Are you harmonizing with the buzzers? Oh god, this is so scary. Ooh, I'm doing a good job. What? Why are you laughing?
You're literally in the step 1 of the step 60 program. Come on. If you mess up, I'll just go bald.
No, baby, I promise.
And we'll just put this all behind us and start a new day.
No. It's gonna take me like 2 hours to do this.
Might be a good time to read a book.
Right now.
Why don't you just put the razor to my scalp? You don't have to lift it.
I feel like that's a lot.
Razor to my
To your
scalp.
scalp and
Yes.
just go up?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Up to where though? All the way up?
Not all the way up. Just do it to where that guy has it. Yeah.
Ah! Oh, that looks good. Oh, thanks for giving me the courage.
It's good. And then there's patches.
Dude,
If I look like I got ran over by a lawnmower.
So good. I'm doing such a good job.
I mean, I guess you would have to use your common sense.
I have what is called a non-common
Would you be able? Part of my soul is just leaving me. My identity.
Your quarantine identity. How long does it take you to usually get a haircut? I'm not
think,
gonna
like,
lie, it's looking really good in the back.
I literally think it takes me about 30 minutes to get a haircut.
Okay, well, it's only been 10. And I didn't go
Okay.
into it blindly. I did my research.
Okay.
I did my research, but my confidence level immediately went down because I have a judge.
You know, if it's easier, just do an undercut.
No, everybody gets an undercut. What does it look like on this side usually?
That's true. You only have a picture on one side.
I have a picture of this side, so I don't even know if I'm doing the right thing on the other side. All of the pictures are just of one side of the head.
By the way, this is the same buzzer we use to cut our dog's hair.
Yeah, but I washed it.
Because I'm an old dog.
Oh, babe, it's looking so good. Wow. You're gonna be so proud. Hell yeah. Oh, shit. You know what? I'm accepting a challenge because most people are doing undercuts.
You should let me cut your hair.
Because, no. Hell yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Hell to the no. I do feel like I have to go a little bit shorter. What do you think of this side?
I can't see that side.
Oh, here, let me get you a mirror.
Oh, this is the end of me.
You know what bugs me? The fact that, like, there are no charts, that I could find no charts on how to do this haircut properly.
Isn't there, like, molds for a good haircut?
I wish there were. There's bowls. You can do a bowl cut. We could still go that route if you want.
Bowl cuts are easy way out.
I think that since you were usually going pretty short from the top, like before this, I think that I don't have to cut your lengths too much at the top because it's kind of perfect. I just need to make sure it aligns with the longest part of your fade.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna trim that a little bit with my scissors. Little by little. I am not an expert.
Cut. Oh, my barber does do that.
Oh, I know what I do.
You know what you do.
I know.
You know.
I know. You look handsome. You look like a nice
Do my eyebrows. Point cut my eyebrows.
If any hair professionals are seeing this,
Tell us.
don't say it. I already know. Tell me everything that I did wrong. Honestly, this is like a handsome good boy haircut.
It really is. I've always had the college contour. I didn't know it.
You do like a variation of it. I feel like this one's actually more college contour than the one that your barber was giving you. It's a little bit more organic.
Is that how they describe old homes? Rustic.
It has a rustic.
It's charming.
It has a rustic, charming feel to it. You know?
You're manhandling me.
I feel like this is gonna be you when you're an old man, and I have to change your diaper.
Don't touch me.
Mason, I said take your vitamins. I'm gonna have to change your diapers. I'll change your diapers, baby.
Thank you.
All right, go take a shower. What? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Oh, it's so ugly.
It's not that bad. I tried so hard.
I know.
I'm gonna style it now.
Okay.
You took a shower. You're feeling better?
Hell yeah.
I guess we're just gonna style it and
Okay.
see if there's any way that we can salvage this terrible, terrible haircut.
No worry. Let's go.
No worry, let's go. I
Good?
think it looks good. Let's do the big reveal.
If you could dream it, you can do it.
This was a struggle, especially when I have no idea what the heck I'm doing and not really like a true guide to follow, just like one picture to look at. I know it's not the best. It's not really a college contour. To be fair, I didn't have a lot to go by, starting with the fact that I'm not a hairstylist. I have no experience other than cutting my own long hair, and that's totally different. And then the other thing too, yeah, that's it really. I have no experience.
Honestly, like for your first time, it's not too bad. Something is better than nothing.
You're a handsome boy. Maybe it's more of a crew cut.
Yeah.
I don't really know what the perfect college contour. There's variations of it on the internet. Some of them look like this, but longer. Thank you for joining me today, babe.
Oh, thank you for having me in your salon.
Maybe one day you'll learn to actually look at the camera instead of looking at the monitor on the
Well,
side.
when it grows out again, she'll have another shot.
I don't think we want to do this again.
No, we should. Practice makes perfect.
Where's my tip? All right, well, thank you so much for joining us for this.
It is 8 o'clock now, Pacific
We've been
time.
here for like 3 hours, and this is what we got. This beauty
It's not
took
bad.
3 hours. Thank you so much for stopping by and joining us today for this really bad 1950s inspired haircut. You want to do the sign off? Let's see how well memorized you have it.
All right, guys. From me to you, signing off, Victoria Bermudez.
From when did I say from me to you? From me to you, coming from Los Angeles, Victoria Bermudez. Sorry for keeping you forever for you having to watch this horrible 1950s haircut. As always, sending you a really big virtual hug wherever it is that you are in the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like bad haircuts. We'll see you in the next one. I'll see you. He won't be here again unless you guys want him to. Hope everyone's doing well and staying safe. And I'll see you in the next video. Aww.
Bye.
Bye. Stop touching my long cup.
I'm sorry.
Why are you touching my muffin top?
I'm almost like my one butt cheek is on the seat, so.